GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage version. So let's start the unboxing and see what's inside the box. The Honor V10 features a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display, with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. This gives the device an 18:9 aspect ratio. As you would expect, the device packs a metal body, with crafted using modern Korean technology. The V10 also features an ultra-slim body, which is just 6.97mm thick. The most spectacular aspect of the Honor V10's full-screen design is that it also features a front-mounted fingerprint sensor. The V10 is powered by a Kirin 970 chip, which has a built-in neural processing unit. There is a 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage version, as well as a 6GB RAM plus 64GB version. As for the camera department, it has 20MP plus 16MP dual camera setup at the rear, while selfies are taken care of by a 13MP shooter with AI features. Another cool feature is that the smartphone runs Android Oreo-based EMUI 8.0 out of the box. It also packs a 3750 mAh battery with 5V super-fast charge. It comes with dual SIM slots, and both slots are 4G VoLTE enabled. The Honor V10 comes in Magic Black, Aurora Blue, Peach Gold and Charm Red color variant.